If you're considering football travel APS, here are 7 things you absolutely need to know before making your purchase. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll have all the info you need to make an informed decision. And I'll even show you how to get the best deal for football travel ApS, including a completely free trial with exclusive perks. Football Travel ApS is a service that helps fans book football, match tickets, and travel packages. While the concept isn't new, Football Travel ApS does offer a solid experience in a market where competition is tough, especially with services like Sports Events 365 or Matchday tickets. So, what makes Football Travel ApS stand out? First off, one of the key things you'll notice is the company's wide range of services. They're not just offering tickets to matches, but they also provide full travel packages. This means you can book flights, hotels, and transfers along with your match tickets, making it a one-stop shop. This is especially helpful when compared to other companies that only offer the tickets, leaving you to figure out the rest on your own. So, if you're someone who likes everything planned for you, Football Travel ApS is definitely worth considering. Next thing, their customer service is highly rated. A lot of people who've used the service appreciate how responsive and professional the support team is. Many of the competitors in this market can have long response times, or worse, leave you feeling like you're just another number. With Football Travel ApS, you get personalized support that goes the extra mile, which is a huge plus when planning something as important as a football trip. The third thing you should know is about their pricing. Football Travel ApS isn't the cheapest option out there, but they strike a good balance between affordability and convenience. They offer transparent pricing, so there are no hidden fees creeping up on you last minute. When you compare that to some of the more budget-friendly competitors, you'll notice that Football Travel ApS offers a more premium experience, especially when it comes to the quality of the service. Now, the fourth thing, and this is important, is that Football Travel ApS caters to all levels of fans, from casual supporters to die-hard enthusiasts. They provide packages for major events like the Champions League, but also for smaller leagues and games. This gives them a unique edge over competitors who might focus more on the high-profile matches, making Football Travel ApS a better choice for people who want to see a wider variety of football action. Moving on, their platform is user-friendly. I've personally navigated through their site, and I found it easy to search for matches, book tickets, and add travel accommodations. This is something that a lot of other providers struggle with, offering a seamless online experience. If you've ever been frustrated by clunky websites or an overwhelming booking process, you'll appreciate the simplicity and speed of Football Travel ApS's platform. The sixth thing to consider is their reputation for reliability. In this industry, you want to know that the tickets you purchase will actually be available when you show up to the game. Football Travel ApS has a good track record of delivering exactly what they promise, and they're well regarded for ensuring that your booking goes smoothly. This is something that some competitors in this market lack, especially when it comes to dealing with last-minute changes or cancellations. The seventh and final thing is that, unlike many other providers who might require you to commit to packages in advance, Football Travel ApS offers flexible options. You can adjust your booking and make changes if necessary without facing unreasonable penalties or fees. For the football fan, this means peace of mind when booking travel, especially if you have unpredictable schedules or want to make last-minute changes. If you're interested in trying out Football Travel ApS for yourself, make sure to click the first link in the description below. You'll get access to the best possible offer, including a free trial with exclusive benefits. Trust me, you'll want to try this service out before making any final decisions. If you've enjoyed this video and want to explore Football Travel ApS further, click the link now to get the best deal and some incredible bonuses.